For homeowners wanting better comfort and curb appeal, Window Replacement Wooster TX is a smart upgrade that adds value fast. Home Window Replacement Wooster TX helps reduce drafts, outside noise, and rising utility bills while giving older properties a cleaner, more modern look. From residential window replacement Wooster TX for aging homes to new house windows Wooster TX for recent builds, the right replacement windows Wooster TX can transform every room. Many families choose energy-efficient windows Wooster TX with low-E glass windows Wooster TX and insulated windows Wooster TX to improve year-round indoor comfort in the Wooster TX climate. When storm protection matters most, hurricane impact windows Wooster TX and impact-resistant windows Wooster TX offer strong defense against severe weather. These heavy-duty products are ideal for homeowners seeking durable window upgrade services in Wooster TX that help protect interiors from wind, debris, and sudden pressure changes. Storm Window Replacement Wooster TX is also a practical solution for homes near Baytown, Channelview, Highlands, and Crosby where weather exposure can be a concern. A licensed window company Wooster TX can recommend reinforced frames, insulated glass window replacement Wooster TX, and double pane options for stronger overall performance. Older homes often benefit the most from old window replacement Wooster TX because worn frames and broken seals can waste energy and create moisture problems. Drafty window replacement Wooster TX is a common service for homeowners noticing hot spots, cold spots, foggy panes, or windows that no longer open smoothly. Broken window replacement Wooster TX and window glass replacement Wooster TX can restore safety and appearance without delay, especially when window glass repair and replacement is needed after damage. Local window replacement experts in Wooster TX can inspect each opening and advise whether full-frame window replacement Wooster TX or retrofit window replacement Wooster TX is the better long-term choice. Style selection is a big reason many residents invest in custom windows Wooster TX for a more personalized result. Custom replacement windows Wooster TX can match architectural details while improving light, ventilation, and energy savings in every space. Popular choices include casement window replacement Wooster TX for airflow, sliding window replacement Wooster TX for easy operation, single-hung window replacement Wooster TX for classic simplicity, and double-hung window replacement Wooster TX for flexible ventilation. Picture window replacement Wooster TX and bay window replacement Wooster TX are also excellent ways to add visual impact and open up living rooms, dining areas, and front-facing spaces across Wooster TX neighborhoods. Energy savings remain one of the biggest reasons to schedule window installation Wooster TX with trusted professionals. Energy-efficient replacement windows Wooster TX are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping HVAC systems work less during hot Texas summers and cool nights. Double-pane window replacement Wooster TX is especially popular because it combines insulation, noise reduction, and value for homeowners seeking affordable window replacement Wooster TX. Double-pane window installers Wooster TX can also help homeowners compare glass packages, frame materials, and insulated glass upgrades to find the right fit for their budget and performance goals in Wooster TX. Material quality makes a noticeable difference, which is why vinyl window replacement Wooster TX continues to be one of the most requested services in the area. Vinyl replacement windows in Wooster TX offer low maintenance, strong durability, and clean sightlines that work well with both traditional and modern replacement windows Wooster TX. They resist peeling, warping, and moisture damage while delivering reliable insulation for busy households. For anyone comparing affordable home window replacement Wooster TX options, vinyl is often the ideal balance of cost, performance, and appearance, especially when installed by experienced residential window installers Wooster TX. Choosing the right team is just as important as choosing the right product, and a dependable window contractor Wooster TX brings the project together. A reputable window company Wooster TX handles measurements, product recommendations, code compliance, and precise installation to help ensure lasting results. Homeowners searching for the best window replacement near Wooster TX often prioritize workmanship, local knowledge, and responsive service. A window replacement Wooster TX contractor should also provide clear timelines, honest recommendations, and detailed window replacement estimates Wooster TX so customers can move forward confidently.